There is another type of P&IDs which is similar to the legend P&IDs. These are the typical details P&IDs. We have seen some examples of typical details when we talked about instruments, motors, and shutdown valves. We have seen that a flow element may contain some valves, shutdown valves may include solenoids and limit switches, and so on. This is not just applied on instruments. This can be used for many consistent arrangements that are repeated multiple times in the P&ID and that take up much space in the drawing. So we can add typical details to add sample connections and from where to take the fluid samples in order to be analyzed in the laboratory. We can also add typical details for the drain arrangement, which shall be applied to all drain connections. So when we add repeated details in the typical P&IDs, we don't need to add them each time in our P&ID drawings. We shall need only to refer to the typical details of the P&ID through a note to highlight that this component or arrangement has more details to be considered. This can reduce the congestion in the main P&IDs and make them easier to read.